Hello everyone. The given equation is 1 by a plus b plus a is equals to 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by x. We have to solve the given equation for x. So first write the equation 1 by a plus b plus a is equals to 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by x. Next, transfer the term 1 by x to the left side. So what we get? 1 by a plus b plus a minus 1 by x is equals to 1 by a plus 1 by b. Next, subtract the left hand side and add the right hand side. So to subtract the left hand side, we have to first do the LCM of the denominator. Okay, so what we get? X into a plus b plus a. This is the LCM of the denominator. After the calculating, we get at the numerator x minus a plus b plus x. Okay, so in the right hand side, LCM is a into b. So here we get a plus b. Okay, so removing the bracket, we get x minus a minus b minus a whole divided by x into a plus b plus a. Okay, is equals to a plus b divided by ab. Okay, here plus x and minus x are cancelled out. After taking the common minus sign on the numerator of the left hand side, what we get? So minus a plus b whole divided by x into a plus b plus x is equals to a plus b divided by ab. So we can see that in the left hand side or right hand side the numerator are same. So we can cancel out. So a plus b and a plus b are cancelled out. So what we get? Minus 1 divided by x into a plus b plus x is equals to 1 by ab. After the cross multiplication, what we get? X into a plus b plus x is equals to minus ab. So after the calculating or removing the brackets, what we get? Ax plus bx plus x squared is equals to minus ab. Now arranging, okay, so we can write x squared plus ax plus bx minus ab in the right hand side. After the transfer is left hand side, it becomes plus ab is equals to 0. We can see that from the first two terms we can take x as a common term. So we can write x into a plus a, right? So it becomes x plus a, okay? And from another two terms we can take b as a common, b, so x plus a, okay, 0. Now in this equation we can take x plus a as a common term. So what we get? X plus a into x plus b is equals to 0. Now remember the zero product rule. What is the zero product rule? Zero product rule says that if a into b is equals to 0, then either a is equals to 0 or b is equals to 0. So here we can write that either x plus a is equals to 0, which gives you x is equals to minus a, or x plus b is equals to 0, which gives you x is equals to minus b. So we get the two roots of the given equation, which are minus a and minus b. So therefore the roots of the given equation are minus a and minus b. This is the required answer.